Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what I got from Dollar Tree. 2 different Dollar Trees actually, not just one. So check it out. Okay, so I'm going to start by sections because it's kind of a lot. So I'm going to start with like the glass and the candleware and all that stuff. So I found these things and I thought they were so cute because I can like spray paint the black or do whatever I want to do if I don't like that how it is. So I got these 2. We'll try them out to see. Hopefully they have more when I go back. You know, so it was this one. They had more, but they was like cricket, and I didn't want to get it, so I just got one of those. Then these candle holders, different sizes. Different sizes I have of those candle holders. So then I have this size, like a medium, like a smaller medium, a large one, and like a little small in the back. I found this. Thought this was so cute. And then this one as well. And then also this little glassware. Probably try to make a prop or something. I don't know where they at. So next, that was the glassware. Oh, and also just got one of these regular little bowls also. I might make something and show you guys what I do with it. Next is I'm gonna keep it going. So with the craft, I got just some ribbon, and then some more ribbon. This is so cute. You know, Easter's coming, so then the Mod Podge. I got the gloss kind and the matte kind. So, and also you're gonna need this always, the painted masking tape, so you can put on your glass. So whatever excess glitter you don't want on there, you can use it for that, and it just come right off. The Polaroid, the photo paper, it was $1, so I got it. Even though it's only like, what did it say, 8 sheets, but it's good. 8.5 by 11 inches, the big one. So the next one I'll do that I got was the LED string lights. I'm gonna hang those up around something. I'm gonna let you guys know what I'm gonna do. So next, I got the beauty stuff. So I just really started growing my nails, as you guys can see. Well, you probably don't know, but I'll let you know I'm getting into that. But these beautiful Kiss Gel strong nail polish, it says. So we'll have to see how these work. So a dozen flowers from Dollar Tree, which is these colors. If I can get them out the bed, I know. But I'm making a flower board with these. So check me out. So like my page, I'll see you guys later.